Howdy, this is Jake with Green Pro. We've talked a lot about a conventional septic system, and now we want to break into a little bit about what an advanced treatment plant, or commonly referred to as treatment plant, is. So let's look at the board. Here you've got your common household residential waste. These treatment plants aren't sized like a septic tank. A septic tank is sized in gallons, 1,000 gallons, 1,500 gallons. A treatment plant is sized in gallons per day, or GPD, as you'll see it on many systems. For a typical 3-bedroom home, a 500 gallon per day system is plenty. You go up to a 4-bedroom, you're 600 gallons per day, and so on and so forth, in order to cover that extra treatment of extra people living in the home. The influent is going to come into the tank. Now this is a single stage system here. There are pre-treatment tanks available that would go before this tank, but that's only when you're going to be loading this system with heavy solids, where you're going to have buildup of paper and grease, and you're going to want that extra treatment. Here, we're just, for the sake of this system, we're going to come in directly into the aeration, which you're going to have a small air pump sitting up by the house, connected via a 1/2-inch PVC air line, and that's going to drop into this first stage of this treatment system here with a diffuser bar. Think of an aquarium. The fish inside of that aquarium need oxygen to breathe, to bring it into their gills. And an air pump with a small rock on it that diffuses those bubbles into very small, fine bubbles, bring that oxygen into the water. The same way that a septic system does. This diffuser bar makes very fine bubbles. It's going to fizzle just like a soda can, and those bubbles are going to come straight up and going to interact with that water, because that wastewater is trying to break down. It's going to absorb that. These microorganisms inside of it, just like the fish, are going to absorb that water and make themselves time and time again more powerful than a conventional septic system that's only using anaerobic bacteria. This aerobic bacteria is going to break this waste down much further, as well as polish these solids, as this is creating this almost Nile River, I say a lot, environment inside of this tank, keeping this well mix and everything broken down. This system here has a sludge return wall built in, as well as a skimmer, where we're going to skim anything that's heavy, that's floating over here, that happens to bypass the system back over into this other side of the system. In part 2, we're going to talk about the different types of discharges for a treatment plant. The water coming out of this particular system is 98.8% pure. From there, we have to do final treatment and discharge, and we'll cover that in part 2.